So for today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you my newly acquired equipment, my new filming gear I got to make my videos better, so you can understand me and get to love me and enjoy my quality content without any blurry effect or any noise, external noise and all those stuff. So hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're welcome. My name is Egurefa Orezi, and on this channel I share makeup tutorial, beauty tips, all about makeup. If you're interested in knowing more about makeup, exploring your skills, learning more, if you're a beginner and you want to become a professional, then this channel is for you. So hit the subscribe button and join the winning team. Okay, so I'm just going to go straight to the point, and I have to apologize. I'm not really sure of the price because I misplaced the receipt. I've been checking for it all day and I could not find it. So I'm just going to give you a rough estimate of the price and how much I got them. So the first thing I got is microphone. I needed to be more audible because I wanted to blow out the background noise. It wasn't funny. So the first thing I invested in is getting a mic, and this is the mini lavalier microphone. It comes with battery. It comes with the battery. It has provision for battery. It has where to connect to the phone, of course. And the thing I love about this mic is that it comes with a really long wire, so you can move around from place to place and you will still be able to communicate very well to your audience. That is one thing I love about this mic. Like, my camera is somewhere there and I'm here and you can hear me clearly. I remember when I used to film without a mic and I'll have to move closer to my camera and shout, so I'll be audible. But with this mic now, I can put my camera at any distance at all, and I can stay at a distance and you can still hear me clearly. So the first thing I invested in, which is very important, is this mic, which I'm not even regretting at all. Okay, quickly I will just show you what it sounds like without the mic. Hello guys, and welcome to my channel. Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Okay, so notice the difference. Every YouTuber should invest in getting a mic. Very important. It helps a lot. My phone is placed at a distance and I'm here, but you can still hear me clearly. So very, very important. I would advise to get a microphone, a good microphone at that. And I got this microphone for 6,000 naira to 7,000 naira. So I will leave the details of everything and how much I got them in the description box in case you don't get it here. So the next thing I got is this remote, which I love so much. Like I said, I can film from a distance, and yet I can control it, when to start, when to stop. I can take pictures with this remote. It has an off and on button. It has a plus button to increase to zoom in, and a minus button to zoom out. Okay, it comes with a USB charger, although it doesn't come with the head, so you have to get a head to connect it with, and it comes with a space to charge. Okay, so that is what I use, and it has helped me so far. Just like the mic, I can stay at a distance and press my start and record until I'm done, then I press off. I don't need to stand and go to control everything manually. When you connect it to your phone, before you connect it to your phone, it shows blue, it blinks. The blue, it shows a blinking blue light. But when it is connected to your phone, the blinking stops. That's to say the phone has been connected successfully. And I got this Uteng mic for 2,000 naira to 3,000 naira. And I'm so sorry about the mic. I don't know if I mentioned I got extra batteries, and each of those batteries cost 1,000 to 2,000 naira. I'm not really sure. So I got 2 extra batteries so that I will not be left stranded whenever. Okay, so I would advise you also do the same. Just get an extra battery. It mustn't be 2. You can get 1 extra battery. So in case the follow-come battery dies, you can just quickly swap to the new one. Yeah. Most importantly, like, the thing I got and I'm super excited about is this new tripod. I love the fact that it comes with a bag, so I don't have to carry the tripod with the carton every time. I can just carry with the bag and go my way, which is very, very important. It comes with a bag, and this tripod is everything and more. It has a long stand, as you can see. It has a long stand. You can open it from the sides, you can open it so that you can make it short, you can make it long, depending on the length you want, on how the height you want, rather, depending on the height you want. You can switch to portrait mode, and you can also switch to landscape mode, which is very, very important, and it goes 360 all the way. And like the fact that it comes with like several compartments that I can drop my power bank in case my battery is about to die, or I can hang the microphone wire, so everything can be balanced, because for now I record with my phone, so I need everything to be together. So yes, that is what I really love about this tripod. So I would advise you invest in this tripod. Like, you would not regret it at all. Like I said, I got it for 15,000 naira to 13,000 naira. So any of that in between those prices, that's how much I got it. So the only thing is that the tripod doesn't come with a phone holder, so you have to get an external phone holder, then connect it to the tripod. And I got this phone holder for 2,500 naira. So yeah, that's for the equipment. Then for the ring light I used to film, most times I use 2 ring lights. Other times when I don't feel like it, I use 1 ring light, then I use natural lights with the ring light, so to make it brighter. So that is that. And I got this ring light separately from this other equipment, and I got the ring light for 30,000 naira times. So yeah, that is all for the equipment. I hope to like give you guys quality content. This equipment will help boost my productivity, boost my content to be clearer and better for you all. That's why I need you guys to suggest what content would you like to see next. What do you want me to create? Ask your question. I really want us to do a Q&A section on this channel, like you ask questions and I answer, job wise, personal life wise, whatever related wise. Just send me your questions, leave in the comment section, send me your questions. I will answer. I will just create time, make a video answering your questions. So please let me know in the comment section anything at all you want to ask me. Comment down below and tell me what content you want to see next. Okay, so for the equipment, the apps I use to edit, if you really want to know about that, you can also let me know in the comment section. And if you want to see a tutorial on how I edit my videos, let me know also in the comment section. How I edit my videos, how I edit my pictures, let me know. And remember, we are starting this beginner makeup series. Okay, so ask your questions. So where do you have challenges? Is it eyeshadow? Is it lipstick? Is it foundation? Let me know in the comment section. And you know, your girl is always ready to give you guys quality content. So for creatives out there, here's a tip that I just want to share with you, something that I've learned so far. Don't expect every video you upload to blow immediately, to go viral immediately. According to what a famous writer said, he said that create what you would watch. So try as much as possible to create quality content and reduce your expectations. The video that will go viral might shock you. It might be the video you least expect to go viral. Like me, I used to be very uptight about views and subscribers, but now I just learned to relax and just go with the flow, have fun and just go with the flow. We will definitely blow last. So when we go viral, we'll go viral. So yeah, that's all I want to share with you guys for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you had fun. Please don't leave yet. You can see my other detailed tutorials, from one tutorial to another. You can just binge watch and keep watching and learning. And yes guys, don't end it here. Move over to the next video. And I love you all so much. Thank you for constant support. Thank you for your encouragement. Thank you for suggestions. Thank you for the comment. Thank you for the likes. Thank you for sharing my videos with your friends and family. I really appreciate it, and I love you all so much.